The truth behind every mystery is never nearly as cool as the mystery itself. Once you've pulled back the curtains to reveal what's really going on, the novelty of it seems to fall into some imaginary void never to be found again. And in a lot of ways, this is kinda how I see our travels. I get it, if you're thinking this picture's a little overdramatic, you might be right, but when you're in the planning phases, it's all new, sky's the limit, and the mystery of what lies ahead is whatever your mind can dream up. The travel itself is a little less glamorous than I'm sure it looks from the outside. You see, the things that we don't show, like the kids breaking down after a 15-hour drive, the arguments between Mama Ox and I over what direction to go, or the days we're all stuck inside a 5x8 foot box because the weather isn't cooperating, they aren't missed intentionally, they're just really difficult moments to capture. I guess what I'm trying to say is it always looks great when you're looking from the outside in, but the reality of it is life, whether living out the American dream or wandering the planet in a tiny house. The struggles and battles, although different, aren't any less difficult.
But maybe I'm getting a little ahead of myself.
I'm Jason, a wild adventurer, and this is my better half, Francesca. She's pretty much the glue that holds this little family together. Marley is my firstborn, and a little too smart for her own good if you ask me. Jax is my boy through and through. There's not a tree too tall or a trail too tough for this little adventurer. So this is the OXFamily, and the story of an ordinary family wandering this amazing planet in search of extraordinary places.
Heading back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again.
We've been on the road now for almost 3 weeks, and Oregon City seemed further away than ever. From Oregon to Arkansas through 7 different states, we'd seen the mountains of Northern California and the canyons of Arizona, but now we were knee-deep in the forests of northeastern Arkansas, exploring a place that I'd been looking forward to for the last 4 years, the Ozark National Forest.
Running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go, I'm fighting another day.
Okay, come on. Well, we're at Car Wash Falls, but apparently they turned the car wash off. Cause we're not
oh shit, we got a car wash, it's right here. Oh, there's one down.
Oh.
What do you want to do? It's a pretty good little trickle.
Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I've lost my soul. I'm driving to get away.
Really? That's crazy.
Running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. Another day.
There was a couple years ago.
Heading back to what used to be home, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend goes to new end.
Amongst the Ozarks' many historical sites is the Union Schoolhouse. Nestled deep in the thick, humid forest, the structure as you see it was constructed in the late 1920s after the previous building was destroyed in a fire. I'd been here once before on the Oregon Trail expedition, and the one thing that always baffled me is that it seems almost completely surrounded by creeks and rivers. So the effort it must have taken not just to visit but to build had to have been a humbling undertaking. All is well that you got shoes and belongings.
Honey, break the beat. All the song that's on repeat and make it last.
Pretty cool. Old schoolhouse from back in the day.
You are all the colors I see. Baby, you and me on a long lost road.
How the old kids in the school used to get their water.
Honey, what we got here is
Do you like dirt roads?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I built a small one.
Oh yeah? What'd you build?
Just find a Jeep or rooftop tent.
Oh, nice. Like a little utility trailer, like overland trailer.
I'm thinking about I'm getting older, right? I'm thinking about
Upgrading. It's nice. Yeah, we travel full time. So we're actually from Oregon. We're heading out east. You guys got a hidden gym over here, and we'll keep it on.
Alright. Well, I just want to stop and say I like the rig.
All right. Well, thank you. Take care. We just wanted to stop and admire our rig, I guess.
You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds. And when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me.
All right, we are on. What is this called again? Lost Valley.
Yeah.
Okay.
Valley Trail.
Yeah, Lost Valley Trail, and it's right along the Buffalo National River, which Taylor explained to us that it was actually the first national river. It was the Buffalo National River, so it's supposed to be a pretty cool little hike. So we're gonna check it out, see some stuff.
I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside. Writing down all the things that I meant, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with a habit to the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown. Running free, it could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place.
Those are tights because they're hanging on tight to the ceiling.
And lights are on the ground.
They might reach the ceiling.
Oh, that's a good one.
Let's not go any further.
It's like time has stood still. I'm gonna hold you tighter this time around. Now feeling like I need to escape. The world outside only made me numb. 'Cause I just wanna be here in our hometown. Running free, it could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. Oh yeah, you make everything. It's just like the same. You don't know what you got till
Oh, dang, that's
it's gone.
awesome.
But now I know
From the ceiling up there. I know you can't really see it. You can hear it. but you can't see
it
it.
could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place.
Both my head. Low hanging bridge.
You make everything
safe place.
I can't say enough good about Arkansas's little slice of off-road heaven, and spending it with a friend I'd never met before just added to the experience. I know I've mentioned it, but the people really are the biggest difference in how much we enjoy ourselves, and Taylor not just made us feel at home in the Ozarks, but made me realize how similar two people can be from two completely different walks of life. So thank you, Taylor, for the experience and the friendship. We reluctantly said our goodbyes and spent one more night in the Ozarks before we made the big push east to America's country music capital, Nashville, Tennessee.
Slide down.